guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's nice to have you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. That way you wouldn't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there. You might just enjoy what you see over on that end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the all bell notification over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making roti, or another name for it will be a flatbread. But the way I'm going to be making my roti or flatbread today is a little different to the conventional way. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did last night actually is I started to knead my dough. So I'm going to have to apologize because I don't have that video, but I will tell you what I put in it. So I used 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I put 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I slowly started to add water in order to form it into a soft dough. So you're not over kneading it. Once I got it into a nice soft dough, then I stopped. Yes, that's right. I didn't put any baking powder in it. Now traditionally they would put baking powder. I didn't put any baking powder. What I simply did was use all-purpose flour, like I said, 2 cups, and the rest of ingredients that I told you. Once I got it to form into a dough, it was still a bit sticky, but that's okay. I just formed it into a ball, and then I just put some coconut oil over the dough, like I rubbed coconut oil over the dough, and then I simply covered it with my plastic wrap, and I left it on my counter. So this is my dough here. So what I'm going to do now is simply take it, pinch off some small pieces from it. I want to sprinkle some flour on my surface here. I'm just going to pinch off some pieces from it, and we're going to roll it into, I don't know if you can see here, I'm just going to pinch off. Now I have my plate that I'm going to be cooking, my hot plate is small, so I can't pinch off a big piece. So I'm just going to pinch off a piece here and form it into a ball like this, right? Now because I left this to rest, the dough feels nice and soft. So I'm just going to kind of line up these here, because first I need to get it into a ball so that I will be able to roll it out. So I'm just going to continue pinching off pieces, right, and roll it into a ball. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll out this dough here. Let me just get a knife, because I would need a knife to go to the next step. So what I'm going to be using is something called ghee, and let me just get a knife, I'll be back. Alright, so now we're going to roll out our dough. Just put a little flour on this thing so it doesn't stick. Maybe I should move these out of the way so I get a bigger working surface. Should have pinched off a bigger piece of the dough here. This will be a small one. Alright, that's about the size of my flat plate. I don't have a big flat plate. Alright, so what we do here now is that we make a slice like this. Then we take our ghee. Now ghee is clarified butter. If you can't get ghee, you can make ghee yourself. I would leave a link in the description to show you how you can make your own clarified butter. Or you can just use regular butter if you don't want to go through the process of making your clarified butter. Right, now as I reach the end here, I'm just going to sprinkle a flour here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to roll this into a cone shape. Right. Right, now we're going to reach here, just lift it up, you tuck it in now, tucking that side. See that? Just tuck it in, then you bring it over like this and we just press it out. So we have our first one, we're just going to leave that there now and we're going to do all the rest. Okay, so we will leave these to rest for a while and then we will get back to it and move on to the next step. Okay guys, so let's get to rolling out our roti or flatbread. Okay, so before we put our roti or flatbread on our flat plate, we will put some ghee on it. And then on this side we will also put some ghee as well. Alright, so I have a container here with a towel, so I'm just going to put my flatbread in there and just close it in.